All the new players we brought in, we've upgraded our talent, our size, and our speed. I mean, all these players have very good offensive skills. We're looking for more offense and without giving up anything when we play away from the puck.
Will Bears play faster hockey?
We're going to try. I mean, the speed of your hockey is dictated by how people move the puck, and we have people that can move the puck.
Do you know how players to play good for check in opponent's zone?
Well, we try to set our scheme right from our forecheck, and if we're doing our jobs in all the zones, we're capable of playing very, very good hockey.
Usually, how long do players need to find chemistry between them?
Well, I don't think you panic at any time. I mean, your team is constantly going to evolve. The first couple of games will be fun for everybody. This league is going to be very competitive, and every team is going to be looking for their chemistry.
With what would you be satisfied at the end of the season?
Well, I'm not going to look at the end of the season. My immediate focus is on how well we do every single game, because if you do well in the present, the future will take care of itself.
Michael went to Graz. Will you miss him much?
Of course we will. I mean, Mike was one of the premier players of the league, but keep in mind, this is pro sport, and your players leave teams, they go to other teams. We think we've brought in some very, very good young, talented players as well.
What can we expect on Sunday from Salzburg here?
Well, Salzburg's the league champion. You know, 2 out of the last 3 years and the finalists. So you know they're going to be a very, very good team. This is a very good opener for us. Graz in their building and home against Salzburg.
Defense, what will you ask from your defenders? What's to improve?
Well, we want to make sure that we're not playing too much time in our zone. Our first outlet pass is a good one, and that we get the play up the ice as quickly as we can.